One winter, 4 students from a mountaineering club got lost in the mountains during a brutal snowstorm. The wind howled, snow blinded them, and their path vanished under a white shroud. After hours of wandering, cold and exhausted, they found an old, abandoned house. Its wooden walls were weathered, the windows dark, and inside it was empty, no firewood, no warmth. They realized that falling asleep there meant freezing to death. One student, shivering but determined, came up with a plan. "We'll each take a corner of the room," he said. One runs to the next, pushes them, and they run to the third, and so on. "It'll keep us moving and awake." They agreed and stood in the dim corners. The first ran, pushed the second, who dashed to the third, and the cycle began. All night they ran along the creaky walls, their breaths sharp in the icy air, fighting sleep and cold. The storm raged outside, but they kept going. At dawn, rescuers found them alive, pale and trembling. Later, as they told their story, someone asked, "If you were 4, each in a corner, when the 4th ran to their spot, who pushed them? Why didn't you stop?" The students exchanged horrified glances. They hadn't stopped, not once. All night they'd felt the shoves, the rhythm unbroken. Now the question chilled them more than the storm ever had.